A blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss with another video. Please put a like, leave a comment, and we could get straight into this. Alright, guys. Who remember the story when we bring? I go talk about two stories we bring pertaining to ICE and immigration, alright? So remember last year we bring on a story that guy get arrested by ICE when in the guy in court hearing. Who remember that? Well, he's back in Jamaica now. And he come up on TikTok and share the claim experience. So long story short, he's saying that he's back in Jamaica. So I'm going to share the story what him experience and advice when he can get Jamaica. But that's how I'm going to hear one little part of the clip. And also the lady we call Ice Pan, a Jamaican lady in a restaurant. One lady reviewed the video and persons in the comment said they were there when it happened. So I'm going to go now update with that, and then now I'm going to go on a part of my TikTok live festive when you can watch. So brace on yourself, and single people who don't know me having a back said way, just be patient. Alright, I can listen.
Oh, me Jamaica me. Show up live people on top of the screen. Yes, it was asylum court. God be safe, okay, goodness. That. Big up on yourself, people, man. All the people with concern, big up on yourself. Truly appreciate it. You understand? And a lot of people been want to know what happened to me. That's why I try to get the word out to the people and make them know, say, yo, I'm alright, you know? After all what it happened. Glad to see you. God pick me. Big up yourself. Pretty Annie. Was it your first court date? Now, so I'm going about 5 court already. Just
Alright, so I'm going to some more update with the story there. I don't want to get into that too much because I don't want to draw the video. Alright, and I want to remember say if you like the video and comment. Alright, please and thanks. So we'll continue.
Yeah, I said it. I called ICE. Jamaican lady at the restaurant gave me burnt up food, cursed me out, disrespected me, her and her husband, when I asked for another dinner because the food was rotten. Cursed me out like a dog. Her husband cursed me out, threw a cup at me. So I called ICE. 3 weeks later, ICE came to their restaurant and deported all of them. Came and raided their whole restaurant. From what I was told from the owner, from the next business that was next door to the restaurant. Came there, did a big ICE raid and deported all of them. Their store is closed down now, and it says for rent. So all you Jamaicans that's up in my inbox trying to message me, first of all, I don't accept messages. So you can threaten me, death threaten me all you want. I don't live in your community. I haven't been to your country in like 18 years.
Boy, only thing I can say the Jamaican them overseas who undocumented most of them live on borrow time. Not in a bad way, but we just say it. Anyway, Mr. Somebody in a comment I said, I was there. This lady never want to pay her bill. So the somebody has said they did it. She never want to pay a bill. We always have them. I think I said this too. Sometimes they love take food and take things and I want to pay and come up with some excuse. That was the first thing I said. Because I realize that is a pattern with most of them African American. They will always come on some with social media. You know? So maybe I that. That's why somebody put in a comment. But it is what it is. Then say Karma will catch her. Put it in a chat when you think. And we will move on. We're not going to help on one story. Hello, so I'm going to ask the ladies them a question, because we're going to get into the discussion here. Out of a date, woman have problem with man who height, we not have no height. What if you date a sharp man will give you peace of mind, help you pay your bills and be a real man and be a leader? Or there with a tall man will give you be a problem, have woman there and there mean and all of them something there. But yet still you and him look good or go together. Which one of them you'd settle for? Put it in a comment. Because I realize enough woman want a good man, but them are watch a physical appearance. Meaning some man said they would never talk to a sharp man. So this was the conversation leading up to other stuff. So continue watch and comment. So we reach out a stage now where, and not just here, like when I look on Damon, how old is Omar? Omar, how much again? What have to call him and ask him? What have to call him and ask him how much?
You know, have nothing. Some people alright, you know, with the height thing. Like
alright, I'm gonna ask you something as a woman.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be honest with me. Come, we could be real now. Out of it have a man who are 5'6", he might work, pay your bills, provide, you give him a chance. He might do everything where a man's supposed to do. Then have a tall man who's sexy and attractive to you. See? And yes, you and him look good together, but he might give you a problem in your life. Problem meaning you feel like he might cheat, he might steal out, he might do some things where, you know, and you're a cup of tea where you have a problem with, so he must stress you out. Out of it there with a man like that. But to everybody, oh your boyfriend is so cute and all of that. Are there with somebody where 5'6", while the opposite? Which one of them would settle for your peaceful life?
I'm not settle for none of them because I'm not go happy if I stay with the person who's short.
Alright, so about saying short, but you have if it takes to make you happy and climax in your bed.
No, that is not important. Me have to look, me have to, alright, this is
not... Now, what we want to learn now, you might please you in the bed, and you might provide the needs them and cover everything for you, financially. So what more you want?
It's not, everything is so simple, Damian. I've been there, I have done that, right? Me did there with a person for 10 months who was short. Me and them meet on dating website, yeah? And we talk for a good little while before we meet up, couple weeks, and he was a Jamaican as well. And when we say conversation, personality, characteristics, everything when I look for, yeah, we finally decide now, so we are gonna meet up now. And me daddy I wait, he come straight from work, and me see the person I walk from afar, and me say, no man, this can't be the same person. As the closer I get, the shorter he be. And the first thing, I couldn't control it, the first thing will come out of my mouth is, Master, you shorty? And he laugh, and then he come up with, oh, but short man tear sheet, and you know, say me a giant in the bed and all kind of something. And me I say, boy, you know what? Me have to give him a chance, because at the end of the day, the personality and the conversations and the way in communicate and stuff like that me kind of attracted to at the beginning, right? So me and him go on a date and whatever, and throughout the whole date, me can't think about his height. And me and him did a little while we talk, and when we go home now, me say to myself, say, Simone, remember, all the relationship them where you have recently, then, you know, the past couple relationship never work out. Try him out and see what go on, because he seem like a nice person. So me say, all right, so me fight my feelings of the fact that he's short. I totally fight it. And me and him I go on, and it's still there in the background. Me say me try everything to kind of get out of my brain the fact that he's short. Yeah, when him a walk in front of me, that's all me can think about. When me and him they want like a party or whatever, me and him turn up together, and you know, it's like me just consume with it. Me couldn't help it. Me try everything to get it out of my mind. Cause me say he's a good person and treat me nice and all of that. And the last straw, he was at my house one day, and him I wash the plate them, and him pants them kind of low. And me just a picture the waist at the pants, how close it be to the ground. And me say, no, me can't do this anymore. Me try so hard. And me talk to him. And me tell him, say, me can't continue with the relationship because it's like everything except that. Everything except that is okay. You understand? Never deal with a short man before. Me deal with you. Me say, me I go give it a chance. And it's a mind thing. I cannot get over it. It's not something where me can just snap out. It a consume me. And me not happy. So, in ball and everything, and
Dr. Brownskin, thank you.
it was a traumatic breakup, to say the least. But you see, from that, me say, I know, like, say me not trying, me try it. Because me would have said the same thing as you right now until you're in the position yourself.
But you still not answer a question. I'm going to say it. Oh,
But
I
me
think you
can't
answered.
answer you.
No,
Me
you
can't
answered.
answer
You
you
said
more
none
than
of
say
them.
me. None of them, because me not go happy with the short man.
Yeah,
Me
because I
not go
say if you have
happy.
a short man who pay your bills, provide for you and everything, only thing in short, I have a tall
Me
man
not
who have get
care.
headache but you look good together. You just say, and you have to choose one, and you just say no choose, you'd have to be
No,
single.
me can't choose none of them because
You'd
me
have to be
not go happy.
single. Alright.
Me
Any
have to
other
be
ladies who are
single.
coming like you, tell me if you know that date a short man who provide and do everything for you, or you want the tall one who give you headache. Which one of them? A woman say they want a man with money. Woman say they want a man who can provide for them. Woman say they want a man to meet them
Me no
halfway.
care about that.
But something I go short. You know I go get everything. Some more I
Me
know.
no care
Me I
about
ask the
that.
ladies then this morning. Oh, so you just come up on my screen and me just say, hold on, somebody else just send a request. Let me hear this. Like them discussion. Yeah, me G. Morning. Yeah, morning.
Morning.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, to me, I don't think height should be a problem in a relationship. To me, it's all about the mind, the way the person treats you. As long as that person can satisfy you the way you want, I don't think height should be one of the things. Because you have people who have height and them mind, even in bed, they're no good. You know, then they have the height, the beauty, but them no good. You know, some of them will have height and the looks, them want you to take care of them instead. So to me, I just think it's just all about the mindset and how that person really treats you.
So ever blessed, basically you're saying you don't have no problem with height. If a man are 5'5" and you are 6, you don't have no problem. You're good.
No, I don't have a problem.
As long as he might do what he's supposed to
Right,
do.
as long as you have a true loving heart, me not think you should judge a person. As when you say, everybody have them own, whatever they want, but I don't think height should really be. I think it's all about the mindset.
Okay. So for you, height's supposed to be the last thing then. That's supposed to be
To
back.
me think the height should be the last thing.
Okay. Nikki, morning.
Morning,
Yes, Nikki.
everybody. I beg to differ with what Sima and more agree with Everblessed, because at the end of the day, nobody not perfect, I'm not perfect, Everblessed not perfect, we all have some shortcomings, you understand? So you can't just, I don't know. I wish you luck in finding that perfect person that has every single thing that you need. But for me, I feel like if the person has good personality characteristic, I could have see past the height. You understand? That's just my point of view. Because me and myself, I'm not perfect either. I'm gonna have some shortcomings, and if somebody can accept me with my shortcomings, I don't see why I can't accept someone. It's all about compromise. So
So your preference, you know, really go off of height as the first thing. You want the personality and where the person can offer you. And then now,
right.
whatever
Not
happens.
saying that, I would rather, but if everything else connect, then maybe for a while me I go think about it. But I mean, given everything put together, mother try to work past that. You understand? Because sometimes we keep there we're trying to find this perfect guy, and we don't end up not finding no perfect guy because that perfect guy is not there. In all honesty, something I go wrong. Maybe physically you look attractive, you tall, handsome, all of
Maybe in
that.
a bed he can perform. Maybe he
Exactly.
broke.
Or
He not have money like a sharp man.
maybe he mean, treat you good, him not show you respect. And maybe you find one little short one will have everything else. Yeah, the only thing is because he's short. You know?
Can I say something,
So
Mr. Boss?
Yeah, you can talk to him.
All right. Where I get me wrong, right? Just because me say the person need to be tall, that don't mean say me I look anybody perfect, right?
But
The
you just
person can be tall, hear me I say, right?
here it is.
Everybody, where people need to understand, everybody have, whether you test yourself or not, everybody has a love language, right?
right.
My love language is physical touch and quality time. And I've said this here already. I have dated many people where don't have it. They have the ambition, they have the drive, but they don't have the money, right? But how they treat me, the height is just a part of it. When the height come in now, if they treat me well, if they make me feel loved, then touch me in the right way, then talk to me in the right way, then communicate with me, then validate my feelings, then do all of that, and then don't have money, the money is not a problem. You
But you said
understand?
that before, Sim Sim, you said he treated the guy, short guy treated you good, but
Yes,
you
but
couldn't
he was
quantify
short.
it.
But he
But
was
that's
short. I'm trying to show you that everybody preference is
No.
different.
Yeah,
I'm
me
not
get to
looking
share
anybody
say.
perfect.
She said based on
You
her love
understand?
language, she like touch and so on. If she sharp man go touch her, she feel kinda she no feel nice.
Exactly.
Yeah, me get
So
it
there
person.
could be a lot of things that is lacking in
Lala,
the
yeah.
person,
morning Lala.
right?
Sorry for have you. Well under see me. Lala, let me hear what you say. Yeah.
Well, as a woman, what them call Amazon, me a 5'9", big body woman. You understand? When time me hug up a man look like that, me and my son. Me a hug up my son.
Exactly.
You
Oh.
understand? Me a 5'9", big body woman like me say. Me can't hug up a little man. Plus, you don't know say Napoleon syndrome, the little short man, them head hot.
That is it.
Them head hot and them argue all the while.
Yeah.
The tall man, let me tell you something, man. The tall man, them a teddy bear. You understand? Every man have them behavior and stuff and all kind of thing. When you see the big tall man come and him hold on for your babes and say, "Come, we are go so." Oh, me not say nothing, me I go with him. Him a my protector, him a my guide, but when me hug up one little 5'5" man, I'm a son that man. They gonna say, "You go
Exactly.
over there and go sit down on top of your night." You
Exactly.
understand? Because we all have our preferences. I try to
Thank you, Lala. Thank
shorter
you.
than me. That's why I come up here for back you shorter than
Thank you, babes. Thank you. Come in and know why everybody are coming for me. So, like say, me I say short man no good.
No, me not feel comfortable. Short man, them have a
No, Sim Sim,
comeback.
nobody now come for you. We're just giving our opinion. You understand? Everybody just state where they
No,
feel.
but I saw it so, Nikki. I saw it so because you said you're not gonna get anybody perfect and good luck with whatever.
My perfection. Don't settle. Nobody don't settle. Man or woman don't
That is
settle. You
it.
want where you want, you go after where you
Thank
want.
you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
I don't care where him have, how him be, and all that is not for me. You understand?
Thank you. Thank you.
Master me. Me don't wanna. Because a little boy, how we are talk to? No, can't.
Exactly.
You understand? So
Both of
don't.
my son them taller than me, yeah? Are over. And when they look on a short man, them I say, but mommy, I what this, yeah?
Everybody have them preference. Stick
But
with
watch
That
on
is
the
it.
Lala, me ask the question and me ask again. Out of you have a sharp man, we want to listen back again and now. Out of you have a sharp man where is a leader, provider, take care of you, give you all the money in the world where you want, being a good man, or have a tall man for just sexual activity and attraction, but he not push no weight. Which one you da settle for your lifetime? That's my question.
Me not take none of them.
You
Thank
have to
you.
choose one.
Me have
No,
No
not
man
to
no left on the
choose.
earth of them two there. So you have to choose one. So me
Bingo.
ask.
Me go with the short one.
You go
Bingo.
Lala, what you say?
God, that one they hard.
Yeah, this is where the confusion in my head now. Woman want a man to lead and provide and do everything. The tall man might not have that, but he have the sexuality and him have him body and him looks. But the short man have everything where to keep your peace of mind and make you feel like
But I
a
want to
woman.
tell you, see, if you have it all one to and him still not protect you.
No man,
Yes,
but just
of
I put
course.
it.
That's why
Two
you have to
people
pick
are
the
put down
right
the short
one.
one. But as I said, short things need love to them have traits where everybody love. You understand?
You can't
So
hide behind him though.
huh?
Yes, sir.
No, it's a thing when me I see from over there, even when me watch I'll pop the balloon and so as a man, a sharp man come out, pop, 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 pop.
Then
Why you
that
pop
not
the
tell you
balloon?
something.
Oh, it's
That not
too
tell you
short.
something.
I like to, and when you check it out, them and the man I said that, but you them have on heels. Then so when them have on heels, then one can look over a man. And the man is a good man or provide a good job. I mean, I say, what woman really want? Because I not understand.
Well, it has said something. It has said something.
No, me always I say, what they really want? If you know, so we as man, we not judge woman off a height. We know that, right?
Of course not.
We not judge woman off a height. We just say, listen, that girl you have good qualities, as she more and she can reason, which is a peace of mind. Me love her. She know if we multiply where we have. Give me her 1,000 days. That one tall woman we sexy and look good. We are gonna give me headache. We not pre
There
them
is
from
some
there. We
man
just
that
give the
not
people
deal.
based on them personality and then make a thing there.
I know
You
every
know what I
tall
mean?
man I got there with a taller woman. Me know people with tall. Man with tall would never date a taller woman.
No, they like short girls. They like the little.
Exactly.
Yeah, but this is what I say. When it come on to man to choose, man I choose over quality and personality and looks.
Men
You get what I'm saying? But woman tend to go off a physical appearance more than now.
Yeah, that's
That's
true.
true.
Mm-hmm.
And it make enough lady fall short and cannot get a real
Yeah.
man in their life. We just have to talk the truth how it is. To
Yeah,
make it
honestly,
work.
because my partner is not short. That's not why I'm defending short men. But it still doesn't say that I wouldn't go for a short man if he has all the other qualities. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm not gonna let that be the determining factor for me not to want him. And as I said, everybody has their own opinion. But me now go swap one nice short man for one attractive tall man
Well,
way. Not
yeah.
have nothing else about him.
Yeah, man, the short kings, they need love. Cause a while ago, when I play Omar's story, I see enough people, I say, oh my God, they feel it for him. You know, he need loving too. Cause 3 women me give him on the dating show and the 3 of them
And
say
he
he
will
too short.
find love. You have to make sure, say, when you match him up with anybody, ask him if shortness is a problem before you send them to him. That's
No,
all.
of them hear him and say they love his son, you know. And the son, where him say, where him would I do, make them go and find. But when it, then start questioning him and him, I tell them that, that's a red flag for them. 5-5.
Well, you know now, so make sure you tell them. We'll come
Yeah.
to you about him.
And if nobody wants Simone, guys, you know, have a tall and have a good looking.
No,
And if you know
mix
a
up, boss.
crop,
Don't
she
do me
good a
like that.
chance. And if you know a
Don't
crop,
do me like that. Don't do me like that. Me not say the man
Good
have to
luck,
wow and this
Simone.
and whatever. No. You have to attract it to him. That no mean saying have to be gorgeous and all them thing there.
so me get one man in IQ, yeah, me myself. Wilford,
Go on, boss.
yeah man, you short or you tall?
I'm your 5'9".
Oh God, you short man.
No, man, that's not short. That's
Yeah
about
man,
6
some
foot, innit?
woman consider that short.
Yeah, well, it depends on how short is short, isn't it?
Right?
For a man 5'9", you would be shorter than me visually.
You
Because I'm
see?
5'9" and I'm taller because your shoulders are wider. So visually you would look shorter, but it's average.
See somebody
look at
tell
it
in the
this way.
comment 5'9" for a man is short. Me tell you,
Huh?
yeah man, 5'9" for a man is short. I think a 6 and
5'9"
up.
short. Okay.
Mm.
I didn't know that. Because I don't have no
Well,
problem when I was on the dating
Oh
scene. I'm
God,
not
you know how
dating
much money I
anymore.
go find where 6 and up. You man, you short man, them not gonna get no man then. How many men do we have that that is 6 and up?
morning Edda. Wow.
I'm kind of muscular built, you know. I'm just
Oh.
wanna ask, how short is short? That's all I wanna know. You know, is it
Well,
dwarf size or what?
your ladies them I tell you now.
Okay. Well, I'm sorry for the guys that are dating these days. Guys, it's a bit difficult, isn't it?
Yeah man, for the short guys then it's very difficult. And me
Always
see
been.
it me see it on more than one platform and me have the problem too.
Mm.
A guy now go watch a woman how tall she is or no. You just listen how she talk, how she sexy and how she look and what she has say. But
Okay.
a woman, she go off her physical. That's why you see woman who tend to see a guy and say, oh, he's so cute. That's it. She melt.
Well,
Yep.
my lady's shorter than me anyway. She's shorter than me a lot, so no problem.
There you go. That's what I'm talking about.
Yes.
I mean, you never look her off her height. You look her off her personality.
No. That's not what real men do. You know, it's just the personality, you know. It's personality and how you treat someone. But these days, women is very independent these days. They can pick and choose who they want.
That is it. That's the thing I go on now, bro. You say you're looking at the head. Women them now get more independent, so them have a pool you them can choose from. And I like one time where them have to settle. Could they look a sharp man, you know, it's him and my husband. True, you talk.
Right. And I think they have a right to choose who they want. And nobody should tell them what to do they?
Exactly.
Yeah, that is true. But what I want a person use height to miss out on good love, real love. Both male and female.
I think short man should date short women. What you reckon?
No, man. I think the tall man them for listen. To me, tall man for date short woman and the short man them for date the taller woman.
No, it's not gonna work. It's like a boy man, isn't it?
No, but you know want to build a community. Well, you know want to build a community with be a short kings and short woman. You want to mix up and make little height go up and some and make it, you know, make it height fluctuate. If everybody short does pick the band, you have whole heap of do half. You know what I mean?
Ah, true that.
So you better you mix them up so you can take your father gene or mother gene, you know, so it's a gamble lot. So that's what we see.
Date your preference. Whatever suits you, that's what you go for.
Go right ahead and do that. Yep.
Yeah, but may I tell you, all right, a woman, he said that, I know, but here comes the hypocritical part of it. If a black man left out and race and date a white woman or a Latino woman, them say, oh, you see it, him put down the black woman and him
No, we don't care. We don't care.
So when we see on the internet, that's why I talk.
No, that's
just
not
woman, not
we
we.
don't care. We
Yeah,
really, black women don't care. We don't care.
We're not going around. Oh, he left his black queen and he gone over there and
No. But what you don't understand is the Korean man them stepping in and the Polynesian man them stepping in and dating black women. We really don't care. We're not having a heart attack over here. If I go out and see a black man dating a white woman, which I have, I'm not gonna have a heart attack. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding? We don't care. We don't. Black women are literally having a seat and drinking tea. We don't care. We don't care, right? We go after who we want to go after. If you notice, black women are more educated now. That's why they're trying to change our degrees and everything coming up July. Black women are making their own payments, making their own money, and doing all of that. We're not having a heart attack out here.
No, the guy not one of them, but me just say most people, like when you go up on the internet, that are the first thing. Oh, you don't date inside his race, he choose to put us down.
They want audience. They want an audience.
Me say I type that. You understand? Well on the Lala. Jenna, morning. Well on the wolf. Let me get Jenna in it and then me make her come back. Jenna, morning.
Morning, mix up, boss. Morning, everybody in the box.
Yeah.
Morning.
Yeah, Jenna, like, go on talk now.
Oh, yeah. Let's not go and listen to this. I'm going to button and cut off anybody, you know?
All right, Mark. Well, all right. Yeah, Jenna, maybe Jenna say.
Yeah, like everybody I say, everybody have them preferences still, right? But like you as a mix up boss, what the ladies are gonna do, like disqualify a man because I'm short and maybe miss out on a good man because I know certain qualities what them I look for. You know what I mean? But like me say, I can't kill nobody if you have them preferences because me have a type to bro. But what we realize the type them me always go for, they're not really good for me, bro. So I have to really start look on like mindset. Not saying I'm gonna date the ugliest or the fattest girl, but the looks are not the number one thing for me anymore. You know what I mean? That used to be the top on the list, but it's not. Probably like second. Me I look at your mindset and how you treat me and stuff like that.
Yeah, but you have to be attracted to them when you just meet them. You have to feel an attraction first, right?
That's why I said it's not on the. That's why I said it's not on the top of the list anymore. It's like maybe sex. So that's what I'm saying. I'm not gonna date a fat, ugly girl, but I'm not going for the. You could be the prettiest girl if you're not treating me right or just the way you deal with me. I'm not interested. That's my point. Because some man, no matter how the woman treat them, because she look good, them accept it. Not me. You could have been Shenzia. Me not care.
All right. Papa Ray, morning.
Morning, dear. Morning, everybody.
Morning.
Yes, sir.
Morning.
Why shot man them a hard time?
Morning.
I know
Yeah,
if you pick
General.
up on them. Shot man them a bit rough man, but I like. But me feel a shot man if you just go look a woman, not go on. Cause when you do the whole internet thing, it more harder for you. So the woman saying at the present, God, with a tall man now, you see once you fill out that and say six something, you guarantee you flag is a good that's a good thing. But for a short man, I remember bridging a shot and when if him a look him not do dating up. Him that meet a woman just regular and him get show. Cause she might see same sharp but she see something else where you know in ways where she don't like. So if you're a sharp man pick up on the dating up boy it's hard for the boy.
True, man. You're right, Papa. Here. Like, once a dating up, I first question that, how tall are you? That's it.
So,
I see things to mix up like the other girls, ladies, them in the comment section, I say them are 5'9", 5'8". That's fine for you for one that taller man. But you have also girls that are way short, bro. Under 5'5", still want the same 6 feet man. You see me? So the people them are a little bit taller, I understand. You're gonna need somebody taller than you.
but then nowadays, woman just want a tall man. Because enough time I go place with a woman, I give me buck up in a woman. Them I look up for me like me like where I look for myself. Like, but me know when me say that I like
What about looks? You all talking about height. What about looks?
yeah,
Do you
looks
look
too
good?
man. When I talk looks and everything, but
Because
most
when I
woman
used to date, I
want
never had
height.
problem getting woman. I get woman easy, 1, 2. So what about looks? Or your body look and so on? When you walk, or you look, you know? What about it's just height? We're talking about height. What
We're
about
just
looks?
we
That's
were
why I
just
say we
saying that. We were
We
prioritize.
was
saying we
talking
are
about
bishop
looks as
preachers.
well.
Yeah, but the height
Attraction.
we are talking about looks always are gonna be woman no matter looks. Some woman no matter looks, you know, you could have ugly like Shrek. Some woman you could have tall and
Needed with
ugly.
some
A woman
ugly
with that.
man.
The
Trust
woman
me.
want that tall man. That's what you talk about. Maybe I Canada me see enough of
But
them things.
you got a lot of
Woman just
different race of woman. You got all kind of race of woman who do
yeah.
specialize.
So
Maybe just black women specialize in height.
all
Me
Lots
go look
of
for a
especially a
white
different
white
races.
man.
woman.
That me I
A
go
white
do.
woman see an ugly black man and him tall. Guarantee
Yes,
she can't
Simon.
do. I mean,
She
Me
can't
I
really
go
match
look
with
for a
that.
with a
white
black
man.
woman.
That's a lie. Me not even no ugly man.
Now too
Hear
ugly.
hear
People
him
don't
talk.
look
That's a
ugly.
lie. Cause ugly man them come and them. You go there with ugly man and you start feel like him at the shit and you just a give him
Yeah,
a
yeah,
block.
yeah,
No
yeah,
boy.
yeah, yeah. It happened to me,
Oh,
Lala. It
it happened
happened
to
to
me, yes.
me.
You see, no,
Me not
that,
Yeah,
take no
no,
ugly man, no boy.
it happened to me.
All right, we can get Anna in our conversation.
All
Anna
right,
forever. Morning,
hey, mix
Anna.
up boss.
Hold on there.
When
We can
everybody
get Anna. Hold on there, Wilford. We can get Anna. I'm going to want you there and be like other special people. Anna, morning. Anna, morning.
A banana, what going?
Anna.
Banana.
Anna, something to Anna phone. Because a sharp man take away phone a while ago. Anna. Sharp man jealous. Hey, Anna, hold on. You see, sharp man them then jealous. But I know.
He
what?
said
The man,
And them
jealous.
full of temper for
and
true, as
them
what she said.
ignorant,
Full of
just like the
temper.
Lala said. Them ignorant man.
Yeah, man, they ignorant. But,
Ignorant.
man.
Ignorant
You know, so me
bud.
see a sharp man beat a tall man already do. Ray.
Of course. I believe that. Believe that.
Yeah, Anna, morning. Look like Cha try talk, but no. Take
Banana,
her. You know, go and talk. So someone let's say I look a white man now.
That me I go try do, yeah.
Oh, you never date a white man yet. You can try it. Sometimes
Never.
you can cook her some
Never.
try. Yeah, try. You ever look at it? Then ever see and look at it?
Oh my God, too much. And you see, this is the thing again, right? You see, with some man, money is the first thing for them. That is not for me. I have so many people will approach me. Want I talk about sugar daddy business. Me just want to pay your bills and take care of you and kind of something. And you know, I'm not interested because if me look on you and me don't like when me see you
True.
can't touch me.
True,
You
that's
understand?
right.
I'm
You
not
see, a
aggressive, I just
person,
state the facts.
most
Someone is
people.
aggressive. Not.
Most,
I just state
most,
the facts.
you know what me notice as well, even though that short guy when me talked to, even though he had all the qualities when me did like, he was very ignorant because he feel like he have to overcompensate for his height. You understand? So he was like, when he had chip, he easy for getting a temper. But like me, if me have most women is where they here, yeah? is how the man talk, and with most men is where they see. But there has to be a balance. Me want a man to make me feel good and all of them things, yes, but me have to look on you and want to tear off your clothes.
And this is the thing I'm find out with dating in our age by me doing this show. The ladies that were up in that age, like 60 and up, they will date a guy for just like when having a life. Meaning him have a house. No, hold on, that's why I use the age. This is what I say.
Yeah.
The people in their 60s. So they want somebody who have them thing or go on for themselves. I understand them not really business born and height and them something there. Once a man having one thing I go on for him, then he dating. And so they don't want a man when I have nothing. So them now go off for height and them something there.
Can I say something?
Yeah.
For me, all right, like listen, me try to say date a shorter man. You see, for me, you see what attracts me to a man in chest area, right?
What? In chest area.
In chest area, like you know, the manliness and chest area. Me feel like me can't hug. Remind me like when me a little girl and me love my father hug me up. So it's when that the man in the front of a makeup like I want little boy. Me can't do it. Me can't.
So you mean that like muscle?
Chest and chest little like a little boy like.
So you have to have muscle?
Yeah, you see if him short and date him, he kind of big.
Muscular.
Yes.
Yeah.
The little and fine.
Me
The
get
little
your
and fine.
man.
Yeah, it not work. It not gonna work. So
when you lay down on him, you don't want to feel like you're lay down on a child.
Exactly.
If you overbear your bear hug on them thing there, yeah, make you feel warmer and protected.
That's true, cause me, if my woman have big bottom, me don't want that. And if she have to have breast and ass. So and if my woman want it flat,
alright. Know your preference that?
As me can't sleep comfortable knowing say my woman next to me down no body. I swear to God.
Girl.
Yeah.
My woman have a big. If you not big, you must have something where me can spank and hold on pan.
Suppose she not having naturally and she buy ass put on. You work with it?
No, they can't buy the body. Me always like my woman natural. We don't work with the body.
Okay, we just a check.
So that's how I tell you, I always speak my son mother short, and me taller than her. She have a waist and breast. You have to look woman. I don't suck, but if you're flat up, why I not think. If we talk to a woman, they're flat, but you not feel laugh. Because it's going to traumatize me. We can't go sleep good. Because more time when I turn on and wake up and see some body flat, you have some cheese and
Gotcha.
I mean like my woman with meat. You see if my woman skinny, it not gonna work.
Alright.
You can't fat, you know.
Come down, Papa.
You can't fat, you know. But you can't skinny. That skinny thing can't work.
Skinny one them for me all day, man.
Dennis.
Skinny one them me like.
Like skinny woman.
Hold on, Dennis, hold on. Let me hear Dennis now. Hold on, guys. Dennis, morning.
Listen, me no want a man with maga. Me no like maga man. Me like when my man have been here. Me like hold something round in neck, round in waist. Me like when me hold my man, me feel in body close to me.
That is it, Dennis.
Me no like maga man. Me like when my man round and look. If he or even ugly, I'm a good looking car too good.
You carry him
one ugly
off.
and one good looking walk down street. Look, two ugly can walk down stream. See the road up and down, you know, one go up and one come down. So two ugly can walk down stream. So me ugly and him ugly enough to walk down stream.
But then he's short doesn't mean ugly though. So that's short.
Me no want no short man because short man can't fuck.
So talk about short.
Me no want no short. Me no want no short man.
Me no short man.
Me like when my man. Me have 5 feet 5 inches tall. So me like when my man look a bit over me. Me can look up in my face. No look down.
Understand them.
Me no want no man who me have to look down in my face. Me no want one man who me have to look up in my face.
But what if the animal is the same height? Ugly you're talking about are
no,
short.
me no want no man who me animal the same height. I want a little taller than me.
We take a taller maga man. Long as you
No, me no want no maga man. Cause maga man can't fuck.
Me no want
A
him
lie,
go
yeah,
near
tell.
me.
That's a lie. That's a lie. We can't disagree with you. We
No,
can't disagree
skinny
with
man, you
that.
know, a skinny man, we
Me
can't
no
put it
want
on
me two
man.
boy. You see a
You know
two
what?
hip boy.
You know what make
He go
fire?
kukum for you.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Then in two hip boy, then they go kukum.
Yeah,
Oh
yeah, a
my
true
God.
Dennis.
Lock it door.
Rub out your grind side.
Yes. So
Yeah,
I'm
true.
a the phone. You
True,
in two
man.
bone them, in two hip bone them, we go kukum.
Never
Listen for
story
them,
to
tell
tell.
them not
Yo,
listen.
never story to
Don't go
tell
listen
about
to the
that.
fuck alone. Listen to the two bone, then they go
Denise,
kukum.
Denise, you're right. You know, wait, never story about that. You know, so my brother, tall and maga, you know, and what if I get love him, kind of say it would be, but me say one of the girl them said to me, say she wake up, she white. She said the whole her inner thigh them bruise up the way
Oh
the
my
man,
Yeah,
God.
the man hip the inner the middle and they're gonna whining and she said
yes,
look over leg bruise
Lala.
up. I said blood clean. I can't believe. And I'm still a weak. I chew.
Yes, a true. It happened to me as
Me
well, a
experience
true.
that. Me never have a problem with that.
Me experienced that.
I mean, I'll give you one joke. In England,
Almighty.
yes? Man, there with one guy in England. He look good, you know, he have money, you know. When we say have money, but that is not it for me because the money don't make sense. I'm a strip off my clothes, you know. We want the little fuck, you know, man. So me pussy they drain for the fuck. Cause yo, me wet up. You see when me take off my clothes? Hey, me let it be, it drop both. Me say, what happened? He said, I don't know what happened. If me have one pin for my clothes. Me say, how me fi have one pin for me naked self? Me strip naked in front of you, me drawers off everything. Come on, me want the little fuck. I know the cocky can't turn up my boy. And the man
That
have
dead man in
money
dead
and he have his own house, everything in England. Me say, baby, take time, go
None
on.
of
You
you.
can't
Poor
afford.
thing. You have an
You tall
erectile
or short,
dysfunction.
Denise?
Eh?
You did tall or short?
In tall.
Jesus
About
God, you
your
there?
height.
None of
About
You
you.
your
have
height.
dysfunction.
That's
Good
it. The tall
looking.
man, I
God.
can't get it up, you know.
Oh, yes, so Wilford.
That's a
Lie,
No,
lie.
a
no, don't say
Can't
that.
get it
Wilford.
Don't
up.
say that.
Lie.
Don't tell about time man
Most
can't
of
get it
them,
up.
Lie,
No, no,
most of
no,
them
no,
Wilford.
no, go
believe it
so.
or not. It
No,
take
no,
blood
go
to
so
get it
better.
up, you
Oh,
know.
None
you
of
know
that.
that you there with
Me know say
man?
me now got the problem there.
Eh? You there with man Wilford? How you know that?
Me know say,
I'm
hey,
not David man, man,
I'm
black
here.
woman.
So how you
Tall
The
feel know
man,
that?
man good looking. Look not to the man.
Most women they complain is a tall man they complain about.
Lie that.
not I lie that.
Because a tall man we
Me
Man,
want
never
him with the
experienced
wind.
that still.
if
Look
me
at the
have my all
circulation
time
poor.
phone, me just send the picture come give you. The man have everything for himself. But the cocky just can't turn up. And me tell him say, no care what money you dey give me, that now make me happy.
Not
The
at
cocky
all.
have the cocky have to turn up.
That is
So
it.
Denise, the man that did old.
Maybe it's easy low, the testosterone
Him
low.
about
Hold on, hold
Definitely
on.
need
he
some
no catch
juice and some juice.
35.
You
He
not
no
catch
Uh-oh.
catch
30?
35.
And you
He
how
no,
much, Denise?
me a, you know, me a how much year now?
Uh-huh.
Me a 60.
Oh,
So at the time, him younger than you, or long time something?
A long time something.
Okay. Because I think say you're 60 and him at 32. Because I say,
No.
maybe, when you take out the
And before that, we up in the year 2001.
Okay, oh, just a share experience. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
It couldn't turn up. It dead like a church mouse.
So you know, while you try play with your something or give 2 bucks or shake your throat, you know?
I mean, I put my mouth on no man cock. If he
No man,
can't
not
use that
mouth. Not,
underneath, I take down that
no
bother
man,
with
not
him.
mouth. Me say your hand. Like take you and play with your box 2 times or you know?
Me and him lie up on the bed, and when me ready for come here and him the kiss, a man, he smell nice, he smell alright, everything alright with him. I mean, they feel up in breast and everywhere upon him. And they to play with him here downstairs. Feet turn up. I know.
Oh, you have a problem then. You
maybe
get
you
what?
have erectile dysfunction.
No, I don't think it's erectile dysfunction. I have a guy friend that tell me something about that one time. He said he saw this girl and want the girl for ever so long. And when he finally get the chance to do whatever, he's like he couldn't stand up.
Like
I
him
don't know
nervous.
what was the problem. He said no matter what him do, He just couldn't get up. And he say a long time him after the girl. And he just couldn't get up.
He was nervous.
Me even
Ever bless,
ask
you
him,
didn't give
say,
him
do
a
you want me
second
to carry
try.
you over? Me ask him if it me want you want me carry you over Amatan. Nobody nah no. Me can carry you to
Oh
a
my.
doctor. What look after them something over
Can't stress the man
Amatan.
stress out, man. I
And
stress call that too, you know.
Yeah, stress can cause that to Papa
Yeah.
True.
So
That's,
me wanna try, she never give
can't
him a
turn up.
second try because they say anxiety can cause it at first, but maybe on a second chance, you
Yeah,
know.
Yeah.
yeah, man.
But
Sometimes
I know the
second
first,
chance.
I know the first, like say, at the first, me and him let talk for a long time.
Oh,
So that
So
anxiety could just
yeah,
kick
it wouldn't
in.
be that
So
big. That
me,
wouldn't be the
he
case.
said to me, say, if me want a little phone, me ask him, say, what you mean phone? Because I didn't understand when he said phone. So me say, fuck. I mean, he said, me say, yes. I me say, all right, come on, we could go over here. I me buy two in drink 2 guineas. And if supposed to rascal, tell up in drink 2 guineas. I me drink one Heineken. I'm a kind of half jump, half tipsy, but me well want the fuck me there. I
So
tell
that
you the
was
truth,
the
I
only
well
time,
want the fuck me.
Denise. That was the only
That's
time
if you
that happened.
from that happen. Me tell you say nobody come back.
Also, just one time.
Eh?
you could
That
have
just
given him a
one time
second.
it happened then.
Yes, me tell Franny happen the one time. Me tell you say
Okay.
nobody come back.
Eh. You could
Me
have
not,
gave a chance.
You could have given him
no,
a
me not
chance.
second chance not the for him.
Oh
If he went do
gosh.
it, if he went do it right, me that they with him right, you know, because a man with money, he have everything, he have his
but
own house,
the thing, you know,
everything, car,
Oh
everything.
I
my.
That's not
understand.
it for me.
Remember, say enough of them man, they not really, but then enough of them not really drink up nothing.
And
Them
what
not,
me know,
so
What
them
time she
stress.
and
ever?
big boss, what me notice say the man them in England, yeah. But I prefer come back home, comfort the Jamaican man more than fuck the one them more there. And the Jamaican one them more there, because they don't have no fucking use. No use.
Thank you,
Big
Eda.
bad I shoot me they tell you. Then I
That's true, that.
touch pan the plane, then and they cock it. Even right here now, like our winter up here cold,
You know,
they
so I
cock
choose
it drop
shelter.
boof.
I tell you no the truth. I mean, I talk. Well on the race. Better I'm travel go Canada. See? The whole time I there Canada for 5 days, my body not get up in the morning. I mean, I thought I go to Canada, but the place is cool.
Yeah.
And when I come back to Jamaica and start sleep and wake every morning.
I'm
I
slow, you
lie.
so. I'm slow.
I don't know, I train, she said something, I chew shelter, Dennis, I chew your talk, you reach me, I'm not afraid to talk.
It's about health.
So my man,
I don't know if I
me
weather.
not have the problem either. Me
Oh,
not have the problem.
you live
My
in a
mindset have
weather,
to
Even
right
I
man.
had
up.
them no problem yet. I
You
mean,
live in
they
a weather.
here.
But me I
Yeah,
tell you,
but
say you reach me already.
I have to drink. Cause me is a man who make my natural juice them, my beetroot and them things there. Some of them things they
No
good
man,
for
that not
you.
happen to me now, Ray. Like naturally no. That not no. Me just say
Yeah.
me go
And some
Canada
of my man
in the
them
weather.
you see through the man them at work, some of them some of my man them mindset gone, Bridget. So they, you see when it comes to sex, them literally when it does become like a Friday, them Friday. Cause them a work at 95 plus bills. So that I notice with enough
Yeah,
man when them
Marlon,
have
big up.
too many bills, too many expenses, them have so much thing on their mind
Stress.
and chest out.
Stress.
So when they find
Yeah.
a woman now, they can't do nothing. So we always hear them story and I say, what could have caused them man that can't satisfy these women? So, I have man, they might do the most and not take care of themselves. Them health is
Yeah.
not 100%. Enough man don't understand them body, mix up. Enough man just feel like stay home like and be a garbage. You have to cut out
True.
certain eating when they start go up in a age.
Yeah
And
man.
then when they are this country now, we're cool, you have to know how to monetize the thing. You can't just be a Jamaican food all the time. Sometimes you have to just eat some fruits. Them not think them way there, man, just get up, don't drink no tea, don't drink nothing, go and work. Them just eat the
And then
garbage
pack
from the
up
road, gone
themselves
back
with the
home.
hard food.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so them think they mess you up. The bag of salt, the bag of
Pops are
seasoning.
the bills then
Sometimes you
stress him
just
out.
drink pure water and the
Pops
stress
are
on top of it. So it kind of messy cause enough for them thing.
Pops are the
Me
bills then
know,
stress him
me
out. Make
start
him
realize
Hi,
grab.
these things.
morning,
Yeah.
morning,
Me
good
start cut
Morning,
down
morning.
man,
on stuff.
woman, morning, one woman,
Morning, one
morning.
woman.
I finally reach up.
Mm-mm.
Yeah, but here,
Melody, big up yourself, my friend.
my
Big up.
always talk it like if when they on the road and the man them a look. I say, listen, no don't bother look here because we no old dead. Bills are stressing out. So don't look this side. A for real, a real talk, short talk, a true. Yeah? So at the end of the day is that's why
You want to
most
look
time
at
the
it?
man them go to
Yeah, that's
Jamaica.
why I come down December. Come here, one little piece of man down there. Me have the woman down there. Me tell him plain and straight, say, me no care what woman you have down there. Me
Right.
and you they
All
got
right. I look.
hotel.
You see that mix up, boss? That's why we tell
Yes.
enough for the man them when you don't come
Every
a fine
every
country.
every
Make
time
sure
me
you
call
can
him
walk,
for
you know.
WhatsApp, I say,
All
what
right.
darling, you don't miss me. He say, yes, Dennis, me
Yeah,
miss
that's why
you.
most of
Me
them
say
have
me
to
they
go
come
after
December,
me
me
and
I
mix
go,
up
Yeah, that's
boss.
right.
okay.
Cause them not work when them come up here. And it's
Me
so funny, even
fully
with
come.
hairdresser and nail
You know
tech,
when
when
you
them come
fully
up here,
gas
them not
tank?
work as like how them would have worked down
No,
at
when
Jamaica. Them do a better
you
job at
can't go to the gas
Jamaica.
tank.
So me no
Me
know
full up
about
the gas
foreign.
tank
These
before
them
me
a
pull
Well,
up
I'm the
stressing
back.
one
out. That's
woman.
what
Well,
the
I'm the
bother
one
about
woman.
them,
May I
man.
talk to you? Denise, what you say? I left in there, woman. You want your hoop on him.
Me tell him on WhatsApp, so me come December and me they full up my gas tank come up back to England, yeah. That means say when me
Mm.
depend,
I know,
that
man. You
means
are
say when
fine.
me depend Virgin Atlantic, they come up, me can still feel the cocky in my hole. Me they fully up.
Mm-mm.
Yo, hey, yo,
Denise, come
yo.
on.
Fully of it.
Denise, you're
I'm
60. Denise, come on. Them
I'm
ask you if you
in
go.
love. I'm
Denise,
in love
listen
with
now. Them ask you if you go church and read the Bible and stop talk so.
Parish church can give me fuck when me want fucking on my body.
Jesus, have
Church can give
mercy.
me it. I mean, I got church in them about my money. Me can
Oi,
pray in my yard.
oi,
So me
I
and
want
my
to
Bible
watch.
there.
I want to see him.
Denise,
oi.
let
So
me
And
tell
you
you
know,
Denise,
something.
me can ask you a question.
and you know
Denise,
big
Denise,
mix up boss.
Denise,
You
Denise.
know, me love me fuck, you know. And it in born February and me born February. So it why we love
Hey,
it.
Dennis, you come from Anna me nose. We play Anna me nose.
Uh, I'm out.
Ben
Denise,
from Anna me
Denise,
nose.
Denise, more
Oi.
ask you a question. So you never in a relationship like why you don't have a man?
Listen me were married, you know.
Oh, okay.
I'm a walk out, left me husband because me can't bother with the fucking cheating life.
Yeah.
Okay, okay,
Me look
okay.
me divorce baby and I'm a walk. Me tell him say listen give me divorce. If you don't want give me go looky for myself. And me go look me
Oh,
divorce with the like
Wow.
my solicitor and walk out
I
of
enjoy
time
this
like
program.
2 months
Hey,
after
mix up
me
okay.
boss, make a run, you know. Big up yourself, yeah?
2 months
Yeah,
after me
man. Big up
walk
Wilford.
out.
Yeah.
All right,
So we can never
All
Wilfred.
right,
just
take
make
care,
him
everyone.
stay in
Everyone,
there
take
and you
care.
do your
Peace
Yeah,
and
thing
man.
love.
Take
No,
care, big
me
up.
not
infinity.
in a cheating
Yeah,
business.
man.
Me and me cocky enough to mix up in any hole.
No, what
Do
me
the
ask?
thing.
Oh, okay,
Pops, what
okay.
one? Over here, Pops, I say.
Yeah, bro. That's up.
Papa.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, just come put me like a 2 cent for true, man. When time it come like the bills them and all of the stress kind of, you know? You know
Oh,
have the whole heap of drag there again like when you're there at Jamaica. Straight, you hear that? Yeah?
okay.
Yeah,
Mm.
for real.
You have too much by your mind, you know? Bigger things to think about more while. You see?
Okay.
Worse when you have a nagging woman, not true, Pops.
Not you know, man. I don't know about that part. But I tell you,
No,
say,
me mean
oh, a
like you
man should
not gonna
have.
feel for has text with the person if them a nag you and a stress you.
That way, but you can't come like you say you can't do think about it and something every now the bills them always coming down.
Yeah, man.
Always coming. Mm-hmm.
Carmack, morning.
Wow, bro. I bring
Yeah.
your player back, so.
I don't know, stay a mixed up.
Now listen, Denise, man. She don't want. She left her man kind of cheat for her, but she gonna take up her man and want to cheat for film woman. Is that?
Oh,
Exactly,
Rocky. Rocky, you
exactly.
just
I was
realize.
When
gonna
they
say
with
the
him
same
You
thing to
first.
understand?
her.
You
That's
just
why
When
I
them
realize.
a
answered the
England men,
question.
they
Why
with him
did she leave
first.
him?
No, we just
The
realize
two
the
of
G.
them could have do the same
And
thing.
you see,
You
Like,
I
realize
tell
that
you,
long
man,
Yeah,
for
time.
myself, you know,
you
Slim.
Denise said she
Everybody,
don't want fear dick a mix up in nobody world, but she want a man when dick a going at different world. Come in a fear
No,
world.
no, my brother. Me went there with him
What
first
I
before
do,
me left
never, never look
Jamaica.
No,
past
the
it.
one there Jamaica you talk about we are stay.
Yes. Well, there with
Yeah.
him first
Galaxy,
before
thank you,
me leave
darling.
Yeah, it don't
Jamaica.
matter.
So
But
rightfully I was
Thank you,
affirming
Jesus.
him.
Last one. Thank you. Get
Yeah.
a Galaxy. Thank you.
My
you can
protect your
still
life.
fear, man. But why that is different?
All right,
What you
Papa
say?
Yeah,
Rain.
I know,
Papa
man.
Rain.
Dog. You
Papa Rain,
can't
I
have her.
bring
She
it.
want, she want. You can't, because the woman, them up here, they want them sex, you know, so them, Uncle Jerry, them have
That
a
is
rush
it.
me. And if you as a man there and you can't please them,
Anyway,
boy, you find
affirming
you.
him. When I have 20
It's a
women at
boss.
Jamaica, I still for me, they go ride it.
Underestimate most of them woman here
Yeah, the
underestimate
husband I did feel when I
a
have
man
20 girls
when him
out
not
there and
tall,
the
feel
last
like say
Exactly,
him short,
Karma.
him
Karma,
the pack.
same
You know
thing me
that
and
though.
say.
exactly.
Papa Ray, may I bring you down and bring up somebody little? Hold on.
Me
Yeah,
too.
man.
Let me get one next. One next one. Oh,
So it's a
Jonas.
woman stay as a woman program man then while.
Ever bless me, I bring you down little, you heard?
You can bring me down to here and get up somebody else, because I
Yeah,
Yeah
got
man,
yeah,
tell
people.
me down too.
yeah.
Tell me down too.
All right. Yeah. China, where you not now?
Man, show me that driver think he cut me off. So I say we could have had me bus.
Okay. All right. May I hear one night? May I think one night, may I take it up
Yeah
with
man,
us?
drop me,
Yeah,
yeah man,
nice.
drop me.
Yeah. Somebody that they are work or something. So I say you go. Boy, Denise, no matter what, no, I say no matter what, once I come to Jamaica, the cocky da appear.
I feel me hit holy and soul. Yeah, when me first when have it before me come to England, yeah.
Okay.
So if
And
you
it,
even have 20 women out there, and one thing hear me voice, say me come, you know much I clap the strike.
You no
but
matter, you no
Denise,
matter the whole them
I
day
mean,
in
I
Denise,
there.
the way ya.
ask.
But
Me
Denise,
not
little reason,
ask you,
little.
they tell you.
Well, I know
Because right
Denise.
here, now me and him talk for WhatsApp.
No.
Dennis, listen this. So this man we are talking, he a married or live with a woman,
He not married.
but he live with a woman.
After me come to England, I ain't go look for a woman.
And him and the woman live together.
No, the woman go and come.
Oh, so him not live with that woman like permanently, like she live with him.
No,
Oh, she
no.
go and come. Okay. The man how much? 50 odd?
Yes, yes.
Oh, 50 odd. Oh, so look at this.
Yeah,
Okay.
50.
Okay. Well, everybody have their life to live on. Me can't tell you what to do, and you get no, we not gonna tell you. You all live your life
Well,
and
cause
God in
he
there.
fuck sweet, you know.
Oh,
He
yeah.
fuck sweet.
Eh?
So if he ain't fuck sweet, me wanna there with him.
Okay.
And he kind to me. Cause sometimes when I got Jamaica, me broke, and me say to him, say, me nah no money, go a bank, go draw money, give me, and when me come up, me draw back for me money a bank and send it back, go give him.
Okay.
He kind
China
to me.
give him borrow, him loan you.
When I loan me, I rim borrow, me just give it back, because next time we there, when we got Jamaica, me not go have nothing, I'm want him to give me, he will give me.
Okay. So it's a 50-50 relationship.
Yeah.
Okay.
If me dey go down and me see a clocks and a nice pair of clocks, I buy and carry go give him.
Nothing wrong with that.
But
But a long
he
time, I
nice
hear
with me.
one. To me, for me, I do the program a long time. I hear a 60-year-old woman, so love her body
Yeah.
and love her sex, you know?
Me
No for
left
them.
that and me see plate of food and the body there, so me left the plate of food and go because me love that. Because if a man can't mix up, me no want him. Look at what money he have. Look at what riches and gold he have. If he can't do that, and me can't do it one time and satisfy, I need a mix up boss. But me tell you that.
Mix up boss. Morning,
How
ladies.
much road you go,
Morning,
Denise?
babe.
4 rounds.
Brittany morning.
What?
Trust
Me
me when
think
me tell you
Denise
so.
accept it. You know, I me understand Denise. Me think she accept the situation for what it is. You know, to say she nah try if he say she was married to the man and send for the man and do this and do that.
I catch no feelings.
Yeah, she accept the situation, and that with most of we women, if we would just accept situation for what it is, we would just move along. So we just hear them say when you come to Jamaica, and that is it.
Not say I wanna send for him. Not say I wanna send for him. But me leave him so long when I was living in Jamaica and then he go have children them out there with a baby mother and them something there. When I want to send for him and then come up here come this me. That's my
Yeah,
problem. But
I understand.
me just lick it on the side same way.
I understand, Denise. I understand. Big up yourself, man. Go and
So
enjoy
Denise,
your
how
life.
long you plan for do with them man until the day you're dead?
And anytime I get my holiday, and I can come to Jamaica, and him, but me they can me condom them.
Oh, he make you use condom.
Yes, I'm going to use woman condom because you have woman condom or you can put in your surface. It feel like
Okay.
your own flesh, but it's not your flesh. It's the condom that you put inside of you. After you're done, you just go empty it out and wash it out.
Okay. Well, me love how you're brave enough and talk some woman them all condemn and say if you go serve God or go do some community
No,
service.
me not going to church because I love my sex. So me not going to tell you, say me not love my sex. Me love my sex.
Then he's a white liver.
Jesus
Jamaican
Christ, you
still
hit
love
the
your
nail.
sex.
You hit it on the nail. Oh, you know.
No man.